The multiverse.
The universe. The Milky Way.
Planet Earth, the third rock from the sun.
Westbury, Tasmania. From early in the 19th century, the village green has been the site for the Westbury St Patrick's Festival, celebrating the town's Celtic links. Though Westbury is often described as a very English village, the first European settlers were predominantly Irish. Ex-Irish convicts, retired soldiers and free settlers, many fleeing the Great Irish Famine in the 1840s. Gaelic was the local language in Westbury for many generations, and a strong Irish brogue is reputed to have lasted throughout the 19th century. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
I'm Aaron.
I'm Azzlana.
And we're Azzlana. Today we're at, we've stayed at Westbury, Tasmania. We're in behind Andy's Bakery.
We're going to SteamWorld!
Yes, we are going to SteamWorld shortly.
We're about,
Kids are
I think
all
it's called
excited about
Steam Fest, isn't it?
Steam Fest or something
Yeah.
like that.
So when we looked at Steam Fest, it actually said that it has the biggest collection of steam trains in the southern hemisphere. So Noah is pretty excited, isn't he?
He's all ready to go. He's got his scooter and his helmet on.
Yeah.
He's walking off. So we've stayed in Westbury at this free camp.
4 nights.
This is a free camp for 4 nights in behind Andy's Bakery, and they're well famous for their pies. So while we've been here at Andy's Bakery, we've had a look at some of the attractions around the place. We've found this little township to be very quaint, nice and quiet and friendly. It's been a lovely stay for the past 4 nights. We've got a pie from Andy's Bakery and tried them out. I give them an 8 out of 10, and they're a really good pie. We've been, you know, to the local skate park, to the town green, and we're about to do the main attraction at SteamWorld before we leave this little town.
Yeah, the other thing is that it's actually quite a close commute to Launceston, so it's only about 20 minutes drive on the highway to Launceston from where we are. So it's yeah, I suppose it's really good in that sense if you want to go to Launceston and do some things in and around there. But there is actually a free camp close by, which is here. So you know, we've also done a bit of exploring and a bit of travelling. Like yesterday we went for a drive inland. We found the Four Springs Lake. Yeah, I think you got a little bit of footage there, did you, or not?
No, I didn't get any footage.
I got a couple of photos, but that was about it.
Yeah. But if you're ever in the area of like Launceston or Westbury, yeah, it's and you're keen fisherman, it's worthwhile going up to the Four Springs Lake.
It was an enormous lake.
Yeah, there was
wasn't
like 3 jetties, huge big lake, and the council, the fisheries stock the lake a couple of times a year.
Yep.
And they have some trophy winning trout fishing competitions there. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that looks like a really cool lake. It does have like a no camping signs and stuff like that, and strict rules and regulations in and around the lake. But I mean, nothing too restricting, is there?
No, there was a nice lovely walk up along around the lake as well. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are about to head off on our adventure to Steamfest. We'll take you guys with us and do some filming of the kids. The kids are going to ride their scooters there. They're pretty excited. They're all dressed up and done their little thing and ready to go to Steamfest. So stay tuned. Keep tuned. What is keep tuned? Is that even a thing?
Yeah.
So stay tuned for Steamfest, guys.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
That's right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, bye.
Acorn!
Oh.
I found an acorn!
Here's an acorn.
It says on the side here, take a book, donate a book. Books for all ages, adults and children.
Turn off!
So there's the children's ones.
Oh yeah.
There is the fiction. Here is the non-fiction.
Oh wow, how cool is that?
So you can take a book or you can donate books. Can you put it back, please, honey? Thanks.
Oh, look on the train!
Alien, look, someone's drawn the picture of that.
Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah, they've drawn their own.
Is there a book in the kids, in the children's section that's...
And then there's one for magazines there. Yeah, there's heaps of different. The Good Dinosaur.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So sure they're actually allowed on the stuff, but they decided that that's what they want to do. Pretty hard to say no.
That's what happens when you bring your kids up to be free spirits. Ring ring. Ring ring. Where's that noise coming from? Ring ring. Oh, it's the phone. Ring ring.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Noah's here. Yeah, I can get him for you. Who's speaking? Okay. Alright, conductor of Sodor, I'll get him for you. Noah, the conductor of Sodor on the phone for you.
Why?
He wants to say something. He wants to give you a belated birthday wish. Sorry, Sir Conductor. Noah's suffering some technical difficulties right now. I'll have to get him to call you back at another time. Bye now.
All right. What's a butter churn do, Lila? Can you tell the camera? What does a butter churn do?
It makes the butter, so you put cream and butter in it, and it makes butter.
And then what do? You have to turn it constantly like this for ages and ages.
And it really hurt their arm.
It did really hurt their arms in the
That's the
olden
next
days.
level up though.
So you basically put your cream in there and you keep turning and turning and churning it until it turns into butter.
And then you put it in a makes the wheels go. And you put it in this machine, and you then once you finish, then you put the butter into this little square block. Like the tray did the old. I'm trying to tell them about the butter churn.
Oh, you've already told them.
And then you grab the butter out and you put it in this little wooden square thingy, and you push a little stick thingy, and the butter comes out in its shape.
See this one here, Lila?
This is a museum.
This is how they heat up water.
I know that's the cold.
Yep.
That's the olden days washing machine.
Yeah, it's like a cauldron.
You fill it up with cold water, and you put a fire underneath it, and you grab the stick and you put and you put the coloured clothing first, and then the white clothing, and you had to put another blue as a white clothing to stop them from going yellow. And you turn and turn and turn, and put them up and down with a stick. And then you put them into one of these, and this with this, and they will come out, and the clothes will come out in a bucket.
And that rings all the water out.
And so when you do that, it makes the wheels on the engine go. And then it comes out over here and makes the train through the sky.